Today, we're going to draw a super tasty sandwich with all your favorite ingredients. Start with 2 thick slices of bread, then add lettuce, tomato, cheese, and ham inside. Color the bread: a warm toasted orange, tomato red, lettuce green, cheese yellow, and ham a soft pink. You can draw a heart-shaped ham, add a sunny-side-up egg, or turn the bread into rainbow colors. Just use your imagination and have fun. Great job! Your sandwich looks delicious. I can almost smell it. The best layers in life are made of love, laughter, and a little imagination.